How to use NGL link on Instagram story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use NGL link on Instagram story. First, open the NGL app in your mobile device. Copy its link and tap on the share button. Now tap on next step a few times until you reach the share on Instagram button. Tap on share on Instagram and it will take you to your Instagram profile. Now tap on sticker icon and select the option of link. Paste the NGL link you have copied before. Then tap on done. Adjust the link on these texts. Now go ahead and post your story. Once your story is posted, you can play it to see. This is how you can use NGL link on Instagram story. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.